Hello humans, my name is KO Overload, and this is a quick update to my latest Z image based video, where in my last video I showcased the new text-to-image AI king called Z image base, an absolutely amazing model that can be run with less than 8GB of VRAM, and that can generate absolutely amazing looking images. So if you haven't watched this video, I highly recommend that you do, otherwise you're not gonna understand this little update. So today in this video, I will quickly showcase the new Z image base Ultra Workflow version 2, where I added and changed a few things, because we actually received two cool things. The first is the Z image fun Distill 8 steps LoRA that allows you to generate images with only 8 steps instead of the usual 25, with absolutely amazing looking quality, and all of that in only 8 steps, so you can generate images even faster than before. And then we also had the Z image fun ControlNet Union model, which is basically a ControlNet model that allows you to use ControlNet with Z image base. And that is really cool. Hence why I added those functionalities inside my Z image base Ultra Workflow version 2. Now by the time that you watch this video, this workflow will already be available on my Patreon, and the installers will be updated as well. Okay, so what are the things that have changed compared to the previous version 1 workflow? Well, first, right here, instead of generating an image in 25 steps, you can generate the same image in only 8 steps, making the generation 3 times as fast. So basically, just input your prompt, you can leave everything by default, and then click run. And then a few seconds later, you get something like this. A really cool, beautiful image that was generated in only a few seconds. Now I have also here changed the sampler from res multi-step to SA solver piece, because it does generate images that look a little bit better, but it does generate much slower. So if you want to generate your image much faster, you can change it back to res multi-step and then try again, and it will generate your image much faster. So depending on what you're looking for, depending on the style, you might want to change or use a different sampler depending on your needs. But now your images will be generated 3 times as fast compared to the previous workflow, and that is really cool. And of course, I have made the same thing for the image to image, as well as the special Ultra Combo text to image workflow, which is basically the workflow that I recommend you to use, because it will actually use the normal Z image model to generate the initial image, and then use the Z image turbo to add even more details to the image. Now I've also added something very cool called a Detail Daemon that will basically add even more details to the image. If you want it or not, you can disable or enable this option right here. So like for example, if I generate the image normally, so if I write my prompt and then click run, the final image will look like this, which looks absolutely amazing. This is really fantastic. But guess what? We can actually make it even more detailed by enabling this Detail Daemon option. So if you click on this little button, and if now we use the same seed and we click run again, we go from this to something like this. So this is the before and this is the after. As you can see, very similar composition, but now we have even more details and more stuff in the image. And depending on what you prefer, you can enable or disable the option. So this is really up to you, but at least the option is already here. And finally, the latest addition is of course the Z image combo ControlNet, which is extremely easy to use. Once again, here you're gonna input your image. Let's say that you have something like this. Here you can enable which ControlNet you want to use, either all of them or the pose ControlNet, the depth ControlNet, or Canny. In my case, I will just be using the depth anything, for example. So I'm just gonna disable everything except depth. Then I'm gonna write my prompt. There you go. Like, I want to transform this image into the image of a Viking woman. You can also enable or disable the Detail Daemon sampler right here if you want to. And now, if I click run, you will see that first it will make this depth map, and then it will use this information to create a brand new image. So like this is the before and this is the after. As you can see, now the woman is in the same exact position, but in a completely different style. And the image actually looks really fantastic. So yeah, I'm in this ControlNet model with this combo workflow can really provide absolutely amazing looking images. And of course, you can use other ControlNet as well. Instead of dev ControlNet, you can use like the post ControlNet, and you click run. This time it will use like these information from the original pose to create a new image so that it looks something like this. Like once again, like this is the before and this is the after. So yeah, I mean, once again, this is really good and an absolutely amazing workflow to generate absolutely amazing looking images with even more control than before. So, I mean, yeah, there you go. That's pretty much it. This has been my Z image base Ultra Workflow version 2 update. Once again, this workflow will be available on my Patreon. So definitely try this out yourself and have some fun. And there we are it, folks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you also so much to my Patreon supporters for supporting my videos. You guys are absolutely awesome. You people are the reason why I'm able to make these videos, so thank you so much. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.